Welcome to Matrix Expedited service. Our equipment is well maintained and is updated on a regular basis. We truly value our veterans and we are active in our community. We have a mandatory 2 days of in-classroom training from 9 a.m. until approximately 2 p.m. and mandatory road test evaluations are conducted after 2 p.m. Yes, benefits are offered after 60 days of employment and include health, dental, and vision. After 90 days, you may receive tuition reimbursement. Ask for further details. A 401k plan is offered after 6 months of employment and 1 week paid vacation after 1 year of employment. Our routes are generally regional to the eastern part of the United States, including Texas and New Mexico. The average home time for our drivers really depends on them. The solo box truck drivers can be out anywhere from 1 to 3 days, and box truck team drivers can be out up to 4, sometimes 5 days. Our solo semi-truck drivers can be out from 1 to 4 days, and semi-truck team drivers can be out from 1 to 6 days. These runs depend on driver availability as well as customer availability. Thanks for stopping by Matrix. We look forward to hearing from you.